Masquera say More Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karike kutanka kukwea paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingwa garoka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. That's More Zimbabwe tawigira Nyaya Yekunyarara. I'd forget Nelson Chamisa Awabuda vachitaura pamusoro penyaya yavabvunzwa yekunzi why vakanyarara PaNhau zvakaitika kuPaNhau farm. Ndofunga takaona vamusengezo shabangu pamwe chete ne 33 ma-CCC members vakawanikwa vachihotswa naPresident Emmerson Mnangagwa kuPaNhau farm, uko patakaona vasengezo shabangu vachiindoza the ED 2030 campaign. Vanhu vazhinji vakachema vachitaura vachiti chii chiri kuitika muri Zimbabwe. The opposition yafa, this opposition, yes, opposition leaders yese ma-sellouts. Vanhu vakachema navachamisa chinzi why is he quiet munyaya iri kuitika izvi, chinzi vanenge vakapiwa mari muri Zimbabwe. So vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti welcome aboard, we are building a new prosperous Zimbabwe going forward, more doing and less talking. Are you ready? Ndo the comment yakabuditswa naNelson Chamisa muri Zimbabwe. Vanhu vazhinji vari kuchema vachiti what is happening. Vachamisa vakanyepera vanhu kuti he was going to approach SADC PaNhau ema-elections akaitika last year muri Zimbabwe. Since right now vanyarara vava kuzviratidza kuti vanga vakatengwa vari muri Zimbabwe, kuti vana veZimbabwe vasi kufara nevatengwa rauta nyika nemhuri yeZANU-PF. Toti mungonzwa zvataurwa nevanofasa maZimbabweans ari kudiaspora achitaura about the current state yenyika yeZimbabwe and the direction of politics. Achitaura achiti hapana kumira mushe muri Zimbabwe, pari kuda a new approach yekuti pawanike pachibviswa bato reZANU-PF. Toti mungonzwa zvataurwa mamadzo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
It right. It's not an emotional statement kuti atina president. We need to be realistic. Kana tina president in a constitution instead, in the same line, we are talking of things that are being done haphazard. And that statement yekunge kutuka iri right is to waken us up a little bit. Because we are moving bodies. Truly so, dead bodies don't fight any battles. You know why? The question, if it is not a cult, what is it? What is it? Munoona kuti pane zvinhu zvakawanda zviri kuitika one time. Ndofunga taane dzungu charo because, and it's not our fault. It's too much. Oziva kuti munhu zvikamuwandira unonzwirwa nevanhu tsitsi kuti zvamuwandira. Zvatiwandira macomrades. Do you realize kuti, and it's not a coincidence, unconstitutional, but maybe fine line they will defend and say it's constitutional. Since when Indagabunza Charamba went on the timeline? Since when did you have acting vice presidents at a time? What does that speak to you? No one can stop reggae. This is now a revolution, guys. Now, the other one, he collapsed. He collapsed. Is it purposeful for convenience? We are not dead. You know, I'm not a foreigner. I'm a Zimbabwean. We are Zimbabweans. We need to know. Nyango Shirwa, that's what I say. This country is being run like a company. Now, if we take likely a rumor, beyond what I've just said, where a non-executive member is acting on behalf of the president, I say, wow, it's true. Because these things are happening and it's real, but could you tibate one by one? How do you have people who are not even in the executive. Where is the constitutionality of that people acting? Mukanzwa kuti mudhandi ari kuacta muchaita sei? These are just examples randomly which resonates with somebody at Atina president. And it's a fact. And we should not remain in denial. We are talking here, questioning activities at a farm. Yababa Tongai, who is the president of ZANU-PF and head of state and government. Kana tichitaura kuti munhu anenge apinda musondo negejo, it can't be described any better. Apachisina chiwandewani. They fear focal. They've taken the constitution, put it aside. And they are doing exactly what they are doing. Unconstitutional. An unconstitutional approach, and progressively testing waters through Pollard, a well-orchestrated crime syndicate, and then placing Chabangu in our, we must learn to claim, let's say our government, our parliament, placing in our parliament a leader. Forget not what I say. A leader who is now the topic here on this space. What law, what act of parliament was used to appoint an opposition leader representing all of us? If comrades were in denial, kuti ndo tatafira ipapo, it's now no longer a conspiracy. It has been said that now the people of Zimbabwe, we must remove the Zimbabwean thinking and be an outsider and comment to say, okay, from the outside world, what does it mean? They have created this thing, Yakutima Zimbabweans have decided to remove political jackets. All together, the ruling party and the opposition, because it's not we can't argue it now, but we can challenge it, yes, that we have a representative in parliament. So the parliament is there to represent our voices. Zvandikutaura zvinorwadza amenewe, but nozva pane problem yekuti pamudzi peproblem ndipapo. Now azotaura kuti isu as opposition representing inini tese, emotionally, politically, we can deny. If we are to go to court today, silence, it means we are okay. This is designed to learn from that. Kuti no kana zvinoshitika makomrades. And hapana kunongedzera. Burombo, as an example, he stood akazvimirira. We have lawyers, muno makomrades, muno space, achataura sipo pano. I'm asking you a question. What is stopping you, single-handed, to go and challenge any one of these things? President, the land belongs to me, the president. No explanation, nothing. Now, I want to learn in Shiti, we need to separate, guys. The military is ours, it's not for the cabal. And I want someone to probably argue. Then the question is, are ku parents shiri? Because kana uri muroora unofa utonzi bata apa unoroya, but it's not your intention. The military is not a political wing. I'm not trying to cover them. No. That moment of madness, yakapfura. Yes, you are cowards. You've behaved like civilians. You are cowards to be used by thugs. All politicians are sellouts.
Right.
They are hijacked. And by the way, all these people whom I'm trying to decorate, well, kana baba vako vatadza varembera vakashama unoakavha negumbezi hazvirevi kuti zvavaita zvakashata. Macomrades our military imhondi. Anybody akazvinzwa zvichitaurwa one of them pano paspace on this Angu space will understand where I'm coming from. To me, it was like, wow. Because we've heard that before. In fact, you are in denial that the training of a soldier is a training of a soldier to kill. How do you then put them in office of authority? In the office of authority, it requires a reasoning person. The rule matrix CM soldier are reasoning. That's why if there's a state of emergency, a soldier will deal with the situation. It's a discourse.
Okay.
I'll yield my mic for now, but we need to correct our mistakes and understand we need these military people who are disgruntled and find a way, any possible way. Or be precise to those who benefited in the land reform. Saka mvunzo wangu wanda umara now, ichaita sei? Are we going to pack our bags or in our underwears, pajamas, catch the next flight, bus, and do the correct thing? I want answers from fellow Zimbabweans because tingangoswera chitenderera kapana.
Okay, senor.
Many thanks.
All right, Padare, come through.